Alright, so this is my 21 Huracan EVO, and I will be adding a Performante style rear wing to this Huracan. So, obviously the car looks awesome, stock. To me, when the car's black, it kind of hides the lines a little bit, whereas like white or a lighter color, the car stands out more. And so to me, having the Performante style wing on the rear of this car will just make it look more aggressive and kind of balance it out a bit more. So what's on the car now stock is what's called a ducktail. And you see it kind of tapers up here a little bit in the back. And obviously it looks great. No complaints about it. But, so what we're gonna do is, this piece here is where I do not want to touch or mount the wing to this. So what I ordered, what comes is 4 pieces. There's this base plate, obviously the wing, and then there's, 2 legs to connect everything together. And so what we're gonna do is remove this base plate, so that way I can set it aside and keep it. And then we're going to replace the OEM one with this base plate, which has been manufactured, even has the brake light. So it's designed to fit the Huracan as replacement. And that way we can drill into this carbon fiber base plate that's designed to handle the wing. And then at some point, if either I don't like the wing or, sell the car, etc., and want to sell the wing or basically swap it out, then I still have the OEM base plate and I can just retro and put everything back. And then in the meantime, can enjoy the wing. So gonna have this base plate, the gloss carbon fiber wing. It's very similar to what I have on my R8. It's actually identical in terms of the carbon fiber. So, and I like how that looks on black. And so we will be doing that at the shop Thursday. So right now I was just opening everything up. The quality looks really good, just to make sure before I take the ride over there and get everything going that the wing looks good, the parts look good, and everything is there for what I need to do the mounting. So pretty excited to get that done. And then I have wheels coming. These are great looking rims. I like the contrast, but just wanted something a bit more aggressive. So those are the only 2 things that I'm doing to the exterior of the car, adding the wing on the rear. And then I ordered a set of their OEM Lamborghini wheels, and I'll be putting those on. They're black, kind of pop and be a bit more aggressive than what's currently on the car. And then I did the steering wheel, had another video on that. I swapped out the stock leather steering wheel for a Alcantara wheel that, actually I'll show you that. It's really happy that I did that modification. And my car has, kind of dark to see here, but has all Alcantara through the interior. And so I put in the Alcantara wheel with the kind of the 12 o'clock yellow, and just really like how that turned out. That was definitely worth the swap. Kind of matches the interior a bit more. And really that's it. The exhaust is something that I have thought about, and I think versus the R8 had more top end, a bit louder with the Quicksilver, but this does sound really good stock, and it's not as loud, but it has an equal exciting sound. So it's kind of hard to explain. I'll do another video and do some videos on the stock exhaust, but it's just something I don't think I'm gonna mess with on this car. And even on my M2, I was really happy, surprised that I enjoyed the M Performance exhaust so much, but that's another conversation. So there we go. Next time I'll upload a video, we'll show the Huracan with the wing mounted, kind of do a before and after. And then I think it'll look definitely improved, more aggressive. That's what I want. And then I do think it'll look even better when the wheels show up. They're gonna be black gloss, a really aggressive spoke design. And then I'll be done and then go from there. Thanks.